In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to GitHub pages. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but by following these steps closely, you'll find it's actually quite straightforward. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started with this simple guide. First, let's open up your GitHub repository. This is where your project's files are stored and managed. If you're not familiar with how to do this, you'll need to log into your GitHub account and navigate to the repository where your project lives. Once you're in your repository, you'll see several tabs like Code, Issues, Pull Requests, Actions, and more lined up at the top. What we're interested in today is the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on that. When you're inside the settings, look to your left sidebar and find the Pages option. It's typically located under the Code and Automation section. By clicking on Pages, you'll be directed to the GitHub Pages settings area of your repository. Next, you'll see a section labeled Custom Domain. This is where we're going to point your new domain to the GitHub Pages site, allowing it to serve your project under your domain name. You'll want to enter either your root domain, such as example.com, or your subdomain, like www.example.com, in the text field provided. Whether you choose to use the root domain or the www subdomain largely depends on your personal preference, but using the www subdomain is a common practice. After entering your domain, direct your attention to the Save button and click it. This will instruct GitHub to start configuring the required DNS settings for you. It's important to note here that once you hit Save, GitHub will initiate a process to verify your DNS configuration. GitHub communicates with your domain registrar, in this case, Hostinger, to check if everything is correctly set up. This check ensures that your domain will correctly route visitors to your GitHub Pages site. Keep in mind, the verification process may take a little time, sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours. This delay occurs because DNS changes have to propagate throughout the internet, and that journey isn't always swift. While you wait, it's a good idea to double-check that your DNS settings over at Hostinger match those provided by GitHub. If there's any misalignment or missing information, it might delay the process, so make sure everything's in order. And there you have it. With your domain setup now underway, you've taken a significant step toward making your GitHub Pages project more professional and accessible. You've effectively aligned your digital identity with your project, all with a few clicks. Thanks for joining us on this tech journey today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.